Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Dr. Rambabu, your acupuncture doctor. Today, I'm going to talk a common topic which everybody come across in day-to-day life. Are you wondering what is that? It's dehydration. Dehydration. So let's talk about that. What is dehydration? And then what causes dehydration? What are the self treatments at home? People do it. When dehydration comes to you, how you will become and how you will behave. So we are going to talk about dehydration, what causes, what is self treatment, how you become, how you behave. Guys, please understand. The dehydration is nothing but a dangerous level of fluids of the human system goes away from you due to the heavy sweating, insufficient take of fluids, and then too much of heat can cause dehydration. So that is called dehydration. What are the causes? Number one cause, you will be in a heat environment. You must be exercising too much. Too much stress also can cause too much dehydration. Medications which causes a lot of side effect that can cause dehydration. A lot of fluids of your system goes waste and then you are under dehydration. And then what are the self-treatment people do at home? Immediately people take some water, stay in the cool environment. ORS, oral rehydration solution. Any medical shop you get it. Even at home people prepare some juice, hey, drink this. Immediately after some time you feel better. And staying in a cool environment where you don't sweat normally. Some people who sweat can cause dehydration. So at home you do all this self-treatment so that can calm down your dehydration. Some kidney issues can come if you keep on maintaining these dehydration levels. Guys, when dehydration affects you, we can easily find it. When I get a lot of patients to me, I immediately look at them. They are very tired. They are very lost. When you are talking, they don't listen to you properly. They are lost. Okay, what doctor? Can you repeat? This can happen. And then dizziness, poor concentration, poor memory. You have to ask so many times. They always look tired. These are the causes people behave when dehydration can happen. Guys, today we spoke about what is dehydration, what are the causes, what people do at home, and people who have dehydration, how they behave. This is a very simple topic. People just little know, but they don't understand this. When they come across, when you listen, oh yeah, correct, they say this. So how do acupuncture plays vital role in dehydration? Nothing. When you come to us, we just give a balance of your energy treatment, balancing your meridian that can charge you, rebalance you all your water levels, vitamin deficiency, everything can, like how you take coffee powder, water, milk. We just keep it like that. Can coffee comes? When you mix it, coffee comes? No. When you stir it few times and then see the flavor, you have it, it tastes. Like that, our body has a lot of energy channels where the energy will be at junctions it is stored. But due to various reasons, some places very high, some places very low. When we give acupuncture, what happens? It redistribute, rechannelize everything and comes to you normal. After the opportunity, people come like fresh, full of energy. That what does that mean? The water level becomes normal. This is what it is. If you are interested to see me, if you want to talk to me, you can always, there is a number there, you can always talk to me. Every day I'll be talking on something else which can give you a little insight if you are just keep on watching my channel. I have taken a mission to create something through this channel. Rather than keeping knowledge with me, I just want to share this with you. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Nothing else. Thank you.